one and all. And again I am your maths teacher for online classes of Local Class Public School. So today we are going to do what we are going to do today. Am I given you any homework? मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिया था in the previous lecture. Say yes or no. Yes. Yes. Arranging numbers in ascending order, arranging numbers in descending order, and chapter test. Okay. So I have told you to complete chapter test in your book only. Okay. No need to write the chapter test in your notebook. So I hope all of you have done it. आपने किया है chapter test book में? No. Some students have done, but some have not done. So जिन students ने किया है, very good. I will clap for all the students, those who have at least tried to solve the questions that is given in chapter test. But students those who have not even tried, जिसने try भी नहीं किया है, पढ़ने की कोशिश भी नहीं की है, so very bad. आपके पास बुक है. Now you are smart enough to solve the questions, to understand the questions. So you should try. Okay, जब तक आप try नहीं करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे नहीं, तो आपको कैसे आएगा? So you should try. नहीं आता है but एक बार try तो करें. हो सकता है कि समझ में आ जाए. Take the help of your elder brother, sister, your mama, your father. Okay, take anybody's help and so that they can explain you the question. Question explain कर देंगे तो आपको आ जाएगा ना. So take help. ठीक है? So today I am explaining these questions to you and writing and solving questions on the board. And those who have done it, आप check करेंगे अपने answers. और as usual जिसने नहीं किया है try, वो बोर्ड पे से अपनी बुक में कॉपी करेंगे. इसको कॉपी में नहीं करना है, बुक में ही करना है. So let's start chapter test. आज कॉपी में नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है. So chapter test आपको बुक में ही करना है. So no need to open your notebook. Okay. So chapter test. Now the first question. Write the following numbers in standard form and expanded form. Okay. I am not writing the question. All of you have book. आप सभी के पास book है. So you open page number 41 in your book. और सभी बुक में से क्वेश्चन देखेंगे और मैं आंसर्स बताऊंगी. जिसने लिख लिया है वो अपने आंसर्स चेक करेंगे. अगर करेक्ट है सो वेरी गुड, अगर गलत है सो इरेज इट एंड कॉपी द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द बुक. ओके. सो राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म. Number name is given. So what you have to do, you have to write the number in standard form. That means number, numeral of the number name, and then you have to write its expanded form also. So A 895. 895. How do you write 895? And how do you write 895 in expanded form? 800 plus 90 plus 5. Now the B is 509. So 509 is written as 509. And the expanded form of 509 is 500 plus 0 plus 9. Write fast. In your book only. Now the second question. Write the following numbers in words. Number is given. This is the first question. Now the second question. 8. 8, 6, 7. And B is 979. So how do you read the number? हम जैसे read करते हैं, in the same way we will write in number name. So how do you read this number 867 as 867? 867. So how do you write 867 in words? EIGHT 800 HUND RED 800. Now what is the next number? 979. And how do you read this number as? 979. So write 900, N-I-N-E, 900, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 979, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70, N-I-N-E, 979. Copy fast. Now for the third question, abacus is drawn. So I am drawing the abacus for the third question here. You see in your book. Now see, what is the first question? Write the number name of the number shown on the abacus. On the abacus, using the beads, first we will obtain a number. पहले हम नंबर फाइंड करेंगे कि abacus से क्या नंबर फॉर्म हो रहा है, और जो नंबर हमको obtain होगा, we have to write the number name. So once, how many beads at one's place? 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number is formed? Number is 5, 8, 3. And what is the number? How do you read it as? 583. So write the number name 500. F-I-V-E 500. 580 E-I-G-H-T-Y 83. 583. Now B part also is there. Write the 100 that comes just before this number. What we have to do? We have to write the 100. Write the 100 that comes just before this number. Before means pehle. Now what is the number? 583. अब 583 के पहले कौन सा 100 आता है? 583 किन दो हंड्रेड्स के बीच में होता है? 500 और 600 के बीच में. 583 is between 500 and 600. 500 और 600 के बीच में आता है. Okay. Now you have to write before 100 that before number that is in 100 that come before 583. So the 100 that come before 583 is 500. So write here 500. Write fast. Done. Now come to the next. I am rubbing the board. I hope all of you have written. Those who have not written, you can pause video and complete your work. Okay. Now see students, the next question. What is the next question? Look into your book. Question number 4. The greatest 3-digit number in words. Greatest means सबसे बड़ा और 3-digit numbers having 3 digit. 1st place, 2nd place digit and 3rd place digit. अब वो आप कैसे find करेंगे? I will explain you. Now see, I will explain the smallest and greatest both. So first of all, the 1-digit number. How many 1-digit number? From 1 to 9. All these are 1-digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these are 1-digit number. Okay, so 1-digit smallest number is 1. 1-digit smallest number is 1 and 1-digit greatest number is 9. Okay, क्योंकि after 9 which number comes? 1, 0, 10 and 10 is 2-digit number. So 1-digit में सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा होता है? That is 9 and 1-digit smallest number is 1. Okay, now come to the next, that is 2-digit number. So 2-digit number starting from 10. 10 से start होता है and कहाँ तक चलता है? 11, 12, 13, 31, 41, 90, 98, 99. 99 के बाद how many digit number? 100 is having how many digit? 3 digit. ठीक है? 99 is 2 digit and 100 is 3 digit. So 2-digit number starts from 10 and ends at 99. 2-digit number starts from 10. 2-digit number कहाँ से start होता है? 10 से start होता है और कहाँ पर end होता है? 99 पर. So smallest 2-digit number कौन सा होगा? सबसे छोटा 2-digit number होगा. This is smallest. Okay, and this is largest. Clear? This is the smallest and this is largest. Is that clear? Now comes to 3-digit. अब 99 के बाद 100 आता है and 100 is 3-digit number. So 3-digit number starts from 100 and कहाँ तक चलता है? 999. Because after 999 which number is there? 1000 and 1000 is having 4 digit. Okay, so is that clear? So smallest 3-digit number is 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999. So in the same way you will find any number of digit in smallest digit, smallest number and greatest. Okay, if somebody asks you to write greatest 4-digit number, then it will be 9999. 119 will increases according to the number of digit. Okay, in the same way for smallest 0 will be included. Okay, for number of digit. So let's start. The greatest 3-digit number in words. So greatest 3-digit number, just now I have explained you. Greatest number में हमेशा 9 आता है. Okay? और जितने digit का पूछा है उतने times 9 आएगा. So greatest 3-digit number, that means 999. So write this in words. 999. Now it's B part. Copy first. Only have to write the smallest 3-digit number either equals to or less than or greater than. So see what are the numbers given at A. 587, 578. So let's start comparing from 100 place digit. So 100 place digit is 5, both are same. So let's move comparing to the next tens place digit, 8 and 7. So 8 is greater, 7 is smaller, so this number is greater. Okay, now come to the next question. 450 and 506. Let's compare its 100 place digit. So it's the 100 place digit is 4 and here 100 place digit is 5. So 5 is greater, 4 is smaller. So 506 is greater. Now see the next question. The question is given in the form of its place value. This side. So 200, that means 2 is written at 100 place. Now after 100 place, tens place digit will be there, but here tens place is not there. That means 0 and ones place digit is 4. So number is 204 and here also number is 204. So both the numbers are equal. So put a sign of equality. Write fast. Now see the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Priya wants to use blocks to show the number. Priya wants to use blocks. उसको blocks का use करना है number को show करने के लिए. So now which number she wants to show? 314. 314 is written in number name. So here I am writing 314 in number in numeral form. So 314. So she wants to represent 314 using blocks. So cross out the blocks that Priya does not need. In this question so many blocks are there. बहुत सारे blocks है. अब वो कितने blocks उसको use करना है? She want to represent this 314. Okay? उसको 314 नंबर को blocks का use करके represent करना है. और पिक्चर में बहुत सारे blocks हैं. So आपको उसमें से क्रॉस करना है जो उसको यूज में नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. So I am writing the place value of the number. So this is ones, this is tens and this is 100. So how many 100 blocks she needs? 100 blocks कितने चाहिए उसको? 3. And how many 100 blocks are drawn in the book? 100 blocks कितने drawn है? 1, 2, 3, 4. But उसको कितने 100 blocks चाहिए? Only 3. So एक blocks में से आप क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस कर देंगे. Okay? Because she needs only 300 blocks. So there is 400 blocks. So 100 block we will cross it. Now see how many tens she needs. She needs only 1 tens. Okay? And how many tens are there? 3. So 2 tens you cross. Now how many 1 blocks she needs? 4. Now how many 1 block are there? 9. So 5 1 block you cross. Here 3, 4 and 5. Okay? So she represents 314 using 300 blocks, 1 tens block and 4 ones block. Okay? I hope all of you understood very nicely. Now see the next question, true and false. True and false. Question. See, 350 is 3500. 350 को हम 3500 लिख सकते हैं क्या? 3500 100 place तो उसमें क्या है? 3 है and 5 is a tens place, so it will be false, right? F-A-L-S-E, false at A. Now come to the next, B. Face value of 6 in 569 is 6 tens. Face value क्या होती है numbers की? The number itself. The face value of 6 तो 6 ही होगी, but in question what is given? 6 tens. 6 tens is its place value. value, not face value. So this is also wrong. So write here false. Come to the next question. C. 8 tens more than 700. 8 tens more than 700. That means 700 plus 80. So 700 plus 80 is 780. So it is true. So write true. D. The compact form of 800 plus 40 plus 0. Compact form क्या होगा जब हम उसको न्यूमरल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे? ये भी एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में है 840, बट इन क्वेश्चन इट इज रिटन 804. सो दिस फॉल्स. Copy fast. Now the last question, multiple choice question. Which of the following is not equal to 863? 863 के इक्वल जो नहीं है उसको आपको टिक करना है. So A is 863, number name is correct. B 800, 6 tens and 3 ones, it is also correct. C is 600 plus 80 plus 3, so it is wrong. So tick on C option. Question number 8, C, 9 and 10. Now to come to the next question. Which number is greater than 799? आपको बहुत सारे नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, 4 नंबर्स. आपको उसमें से जो 799 से ग्रेटर है, बड़ा, उस पर टिक करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 835. तो 835 है. सो A. Tick on A. Now the last. What is the place value of underlined digit in 987? 987 and underlined digit is 8. So what is its place value? 8 tens or 80. So the option is B. Tick fast. So I hope all of you have understood very nicely, and here we have completed our chapter 2. So we will start the new chapter, that is even and odd numbers, in our next lecture. So practice your maths daily. Have a nice day. Good day, students.